to put on a workshop, and what's the point of anybody even wanting to come and wanting to sign up? See, one of the first things we need to identify is that we are putting on a workshop for the people who are coming, not for us. This isn't some like big thing where we're going to show off how awesome we are, although we are. We're going to be showing off specifically at this workshop how we can do one thing, and that's specifically help people with the problem that they have right now. That's going to be a stepping stone or a milestone in helping them get to where they want to get to ultimately in their surface desire. Give them that trust and belief that they need that is going to help them move forward when I present my offer at the end of that workshop. Why are people going to want to sign up for your workshop? Because you're actually going to be helping them with something. This isn't a workshop for vanity. This isn't a workshop to do surface level stuff. You want to actually solve the problem that they have during this workshop, because by actually solving the problem that they have, you are going to be given an opportunity to want to help them more at the end of this workshop when you present your offer.
Want more daily videos like this one? Like and subscribe to this channel.